Now that we have gotten our ideas out of the way, it's time for us to go ahead and write our script. And to write this script, we'll be using ChatGPT, or if you are good in writing stories, then you can write your script by yourself. But if you are not good in writing script, then follow along with this next step. Now, for us to write our script, we must first pick our ideas. And from our previous lesson, which I talked about how to get ideas, then I've come up to this particular channel, Native African Tales. This channel got 23 videos and they got 52k subscribers. So when I filter down this, I observed that their most popular videos are this pattern of kind of videos. The same thing I also explained to you from our previous video on how to get your ideas. So if you see, you will observe that from here we have the first video here got in 3 months duration. This video got 1 million views. He pounded his only daughter alive. So you can see that. Then this second video, in 2 months, this video got 891k views. That's they never knew she was a snake until her wedding night. Then the third video here, no more virgins, every girl in the village became prostitute. So if you if you look at these topics, if you observe that they are related, they are kind of the same category of topic, negative stuff. So from here, this is how you can get the same kind of topics and write your script on. So let's say, for instance, we have no more virgins, every girl in the village became prostitute. We can get our idea from here. So what we can write a story about now is this. We can do it this way. We can say no more virgins, every woman in the village became prostitute. So you see that? Or we can say every woman in the village became sex workers. So you observe what I'm trying to say. Not that you are going to write the same kind of title that they are writing. We are not copying their script. We are just getting the concept of the story so that we can go viral as a small channel, because you can't start creating a random story as a small channel and expect to get this high number of views. You have to dive down on what others are doing that is giving them views. All right, so now you can decide to write your script by yourself, or you can go to ChatGPT. You can use AI to write your script. If you are good at writing script, you can write your script by yourself. Please pay attention to this. But if you are not good at writing script, you can either use AI to write your script, or you can pay someone to write your script for you if you have the money for that. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to write this script using AI. So like I said, we have gotten this idea, no more virgins, every girl in the village became prostitute. So now we are going to go to ChatGPT. I just hope ChatGPT is not going to block our prompt. All right, so I'm going to go to ChatGPT and we are going to say this. Hi. So we are going to tell ChatGPT, please, I want to create a story video on this story topic. No more virgins, every woman. Write a full story. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to do this. Now we are going to send this. All right, so you can see ChatGPT has started writing this script. When it's done with this script, we are going to adjust it, twist some certain things that we need to twist in this particular script. Now that our script has been generated, now we can read through this script and tweak what we want to tweak on this particular script. So let's just read through this script. Wait guys, if you are watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed to the channel or you haven't liked this video, please, you need to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that we are going to move forward. Now let's go on with our video. Sometimes ChatGPT is going to use bigger English. So what you can do is tell the ChatGPT to use a simple English that a 2-year-old child would understand. You add that to your script. I'm going to give you the script that I use in writing this story in the description of this video. All right, so let's just go on. So the chapter 1 said the changing times. The village of this was once a place of this and that and that. So just read through your script. So what we are going to do is this. You will go to the the video that you are trying to emulate the concept or their story from, you try to watch this. This is the work involved in this thing if you want to get views. So you go to the video you are trying to emulate the concept of their video, of their script. You read through, you watch the video, see how the video is being tailored, see how the story is see where the story is going, what the story is talking about. So you just go through your script, and if you see here, they say the women of this, once the backbone of their household began to feel the weight of economic hardship without the support of their husband, many were left to fend for themselves. So this story is talking about how there was an economic hardship in a village, and people started the people were being tempted, and out of desperation they go into what they were not supposed to go into. Okay, so this is the story. So what we are going to do is this: each of these chapters, you can tell ChatGPT to expand each of these chapters for you. So let's just do that. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to expand, make chapter, you are going to tell it, make chapter 1, expand chapter 1. That's if you are going after a longer script, you can tell ChatGPT to expand each of these chapters so that you get longer script. Okay, I did a video on how to get longer script. I'll leave that video in the description of this video. You can watch that. So this is what we are going to do now. So what I'm going to do is to copy this script, and then we move forward to generating our voiceovers. So what you will do is to copy this entire script and paste it into a Word editing document, Microsoft Word, or you can paste it into Google Doc. So I'm going to copy this now, then I'm going to paste it into Google Doc. So this is Google Doc now. So you just have to click paste. So paste without formatting. So after pasting in this, you just have to remove each of these headings. So we just have to re-edit this, remove each of these headings. Alright, so after removing that, removing what you don't need, you can just go through your story, then see what you need to add and add it. ChatGPT is not going to give you everything, so you go through your story, take that time to go through your story, then see what you need to add, see what you don't need to, you need to remove, and what you need to add them to your story to make your story more human. You get, you are not just going to drop anything on YouTube and expect to get views. You need to take your time, work on your story very well before you drop your story. That is how you get views. You don't just drop anyhow story and you expect to get views. It's not magic, okay?